Requirement gathering is the foundation of any successful project. Without clear and accurate requirements, projects can face delays, misunderstandings, and even failure. In this video, I'll guide you through the essential steps to gather requirements effectively and avoid common pitfalls. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned business systems analyst, these tips will help you improve your skills. Requirement gathering is the process of understanding and documenting what stakeholders need for a project. It's about figuring out the what and why behind the project. By gathering clear requirements, you reduce risks, improve communication, and set the project up for success. Now let's look at the 5 steps to gather requirements like a professional business systems analyst. The first step is to identify all stakeholders involved in the project. Stakeholders include project sponsors, end users, developers, and anyone else impacted by the project. Create a stakeholder map to understand their roles and responsibilities. Next, gather input from stakeholders through interviews or workshops. Interviews allow you to go in depth, while workshops bring people together for collaboration. Make sure to ask open-ended questions like, what challenges do you face? Or what does success look like for you? Visual aids, like flowcharts or mock-ups, make abstract ideas clearer. They help stakeholders understand the requirements and ensure everyone is on the same page. Document the requirements in a clear and structured format. Use templates or tools to maintain consistency and avoid missing any details. Finally, validate the requirements with stakeholders. Review everything together to ensure accuracy and completeness. Use a formal sign-off process to lock in the requirements and prevent misunderstandings later. Requirement gathering isn't always smooth. You might encounter ambiguous inputs, conflicting stakeholder priorities, or even a lack of engagement. To overcome these, ask follow-up questions, prioritize requirements, and keep communication open throughout the process. To recap, the key steps in requirement gathering are identifying stakeholders, conducting interviews or workshops, using visual aids, documenting clearly, and validating with stakeholders. By mastering these, you can gather requirements like a pro and make your projects more successful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. What are your go-to tips for gathering requirements? Let me know in the comments below.